voted before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Not in the Welsh elections, in the
Local election?
national.
Or national? In the general
Local,
election?
yeah,
Okay.
them ones.
So, what about the rest of you? Any of you are you all old enough to vote, by the way?
Thank you, Simon.
No. Are you interested in voting?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I've always been interested in voting,
Yeah,
but when it comes to voting, I couldn't because I didn't know what I believed in.
Right, okay, well, that's fair enough. But do you think it's important to vote?
Yeah.
No. I think they should make it like easier for younger people to understand.
There are not too many people working on one shift on the one thing. You've got different shifts and different tasks. The disadvantages of this could be that people argue over the shifts that they are working. What we did have was structured leisure activities such as quizzes and things like that, because the advantages of that are it would keep people from arguing, it would also keep them busy, but the disadvantages of that are not everybody may want to get involved.
Through volunteering or based on strengths, to the best of your ability.
What? Sorry.
Right, you have to hold the responsibilities of jobs you've been designated.
Such as murder, paedophilia, or anything of that kind, when they get hung, drawn and quartered if they do.
Stab spear. Everyone confirmed.
The advantages we found of this is that everybody gets a fair trial, everybody in the group gets a chance to have their say. The only disadvantage we could find is bias. If people were friends with somebody who's on trial, maybe they'd turn and go, well actually he did nothing wrong. So,
All that
yay.
support.
Yays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can I vote? Yeah, 9.
Anything
Noes.
else?
There's one.
I'm
Eyes to the right.